Okay then guys, here we are in the greenhouse. Shut the door because it's a bit nippy outside. What are we at? 16, 17 degrees, that's alright. So yeah, leeks are doing well. Well, most of them. I've got more than enough there, so I'm not too fussed. I think these were old seeds, these ones anyway. That was, oh no, that's the Porbellas. They were new seeds, they were. Isaiah's keeping his eye on things. His eyes. Chit's coming on very nicely there. All over the place on this one. That. Soon be time to start slicing you up, buddy, so make the most of your sunbathing while you can. Chilies and peppers doing well. I've still not had to get the second vitopod going, but hopefully some of these will sell this week. Not too many, I've only got about 10 to sell, the rest are mine I think. Yeah, they are. Right, top row, spuds, chitting nicely. The rest of them, you'll notice there's a lot missing. The rest are indoors on the north-facing kitchen windowsill. I've been a bit busy this week. Potted up loads and loads of flowers. All sorts here. I'm not going to read them all out to you. If you freeze frame, you should be able to make out what a few of them are. These larger ones, they're just, where are we? Where's my finger? There it is. These larger ones, they are fuchsias. And there's more down there. Oh, and there's more under there. A bit awkward to water those at the back, but they're in a tray, so I just water the tray now and again. More down here as well. Let's get my crib sheet out of the way. More up here. And on the top row, let's do it this way around. Horseradish on the far left there. Now leeks, not leeks, shallots. I wasn't expecting much from these because they're old seed. Now these are the Zebrun from Real Seeds. 1, 2, 3, 5 germinated. So what I did 3 or 4 days ago, now that's why it's got perlite on top, what I did is I re-sowed some DT brown ones, so we'll see how they do. And the ones at the back there, God, I've got to keep looking at my crib sheet. That's Ambition, that's my favourite ones for the show. Here's the old carnivorous plants. I noticed though the honeydew there, sundew, just hang on, so put that down again. He's caught a little fly in there or something, look. And this one, this Venus flytrap, that leaf at the back there by the label, that's new. And there's some opening up there as well. I love these, I keep saying it, but anyway. Right, along the top row, up the other side here. 47 and 48 are Onion Carmen. No, they're not. Fletcher's Onion. Yes, they are. Sorry, Carmen and Fletcher's White. That's a red and a white. This is the tray of lupins. And I'm pretty sure, I didn't get it on film, I'm pretty sure in these two, I put some delphiniums, but they haven't come up yet. Geraniums there. More flowers. Oh, what is that doing there? That is that. No, I'm not advertising other channels. Go away. I'll get that in the bin. Daddy gave me that at the Malvern show. Yeah, some more flowers. Hopefully these will all sell. Next row down. Cauliflower's doing well. I noticed that the giant Prague celeriac is popping up as well. Sweet peas doing fantastic. Nothing from the Clancy potatoes yet. Aubergines, well, look at those, they'll be selling soon. I'm going to keep two or three for myself. And we got the last of the chili and pepper plugs. I just put 20, well, I think I'll work this out now, 6, 5, yeah, 25 in the post this morning, 5 lots of 5. So it's, yeah, 5 lots of 5. That's them, and there's another few here. So here we are, I think that's about it in here. I've got a bit more room and I may be able to set another light up down there. I'll tell you what, I've turned the heat mats off. Don't need it, I don't need them anymore. So yeah, we'll see. I don't think I need a light up here now. I've got 2 more lights I can fit up if I need them. We'll see. I'm resisting getting the other vitopod going because it's It needs heat and light. It's a little bit of electric. Not too much, but just a little bit. Right, upstairs. Okay, then here we are upstairs. There's a few peppers and chilies left in here. Getting nice and stocky now, look. Brilliant. Gotta love these variegated Sugar Rush stripy peach. 3 of those. Getting a bit tall, that one at the back there. Might have to get him down the greenhouse. I've got to pick more flower buds off. They're trying like mad. Took a load off the other day. And we got some more. A basket of fire, jalapeno and cayennes in those plugs there, Jiffy 7s. Brilliant. Here we are. A little bit of brown on that. There's nothing. Might have to bring a carnivorous plant up if we start getting some insect damage, but seem to be holding out for now. Yeah, well, that's it for this week, guys. Take care. Catch you soon.